Hi, I'm in Cheap Architect F6, X6, excuse me, and I created a 1012 roof plane over here and a 612 roof plane over here. So this is what it looks like in a camera view. Not exactly like what you posted on the forum, but close enough. Now I'm going to hit Shift F6 on my keyboard to split the screens. I'm going to click on this screen, the right-hand plan screen, and in the dialog box on the first floor, I'm going to go over to the Structure tab and take out the ceiling. Okay. So from inside, yeah, that's what it looks like. And that's what this sort of thing usually is. Okay. Now, if I've misunderstood what you want to do, and then, well, I'm trying here. Okay. Now, I'm going to go over to the wall tools and go up to the attic level. And I'm going to turn on the reference display so I can see where the roof planes are. This line here is the 1012 overhang, and this is the 612. Okay, now I'm going to go to the walls, draw a wall there. I didn't even care what that error message said. I'm not interested. I'm going to move this wall over until it's sitting on top of the roof, just barely. Using a control key to get a little bit better control. Yeah. Now I'm going to open this wall. You can see that it's filled in, sort of, kind of. Now I'm going to open that dialog box of that wall I just drew and go to the Roof tab and click on Roof Cuts Wall at bottom. I want that wall to sit on the roof plane. In other words, it'll terminate right there on top of that roof plane. And this command will tell it what to do. Now I can just click on this screen and get that wall polyline and resize it so it fills in. Now, still not done necessarily. I mean, yeah, I'm sticking through there. Let me pull that down just a little bit. I'll check that again. Yeah, okay, that's clean. Now, with a wall there, you can put windows in it. Just click a window in there, and windows up there would probably be fixed glass and probably it doesn't matter, whatever you want, 36 by 36. Then you could copy paste a bunch of windows across there. Let's see. Let's plunk some more in there. Okay, now I'm going to check it from the inside, and we'll do it with an elevation camera. Now that doesn't tell me much. I want to make sure that this wall is terminating at the roof, and I don't believe that it is currently. So we'll do it this way. Yeah, see that wall's coming all the way down here, and it should stop. I told it to stop up here at the roof, but it didn't. So, I mean, this software is great, but it's just mechanical. You have to tell it what to do. It doesn't think. It doesn't have any judgment. It's just a tool. And so we'll click on this wall polyline. This is, let me open it. You'll see an attic wall. Well, I'm going to make it an attic wall right there with that check box. And then we'll just pull the wall polyline up until it sits on the roof. Oops. Oh, where'd my windows go? Okay, they jumped. I'll shift select those. Just drag them back down. Since there's no room dialog box to tell these windows where to go, you just have to manually put them where you want them. Okay, now we'll close this, and then we'll check it out from the inside on the first floor. Where's my camera? There it is. Get right over here in the corner and look in that direction. And it needs to be tweaked a little bit more. You can see, let's see, where's yeah. You can see it's not exactly perfect. Let me click on it. I may need to move it a little bit in plan view. Let's see. Yeah, you can see the red line. It's not exactly lined up. Of course, you wouldn't put a brick wall up here anyway, but nevertheless, we're just demonstrating. That'll look a little bit better. Oops. I'm clicking on the wall polyline that I drew up there manually and just adjusting it. All those windows should not have sills. I didn't think of that. We just shift select all 4 of those. Whoops. And tell them not to have a sill, because they wouldn't have sills up that high commonly. That's looking a little bit better. It's not perfect, but you could tinker around with this and make it more perfect with just a little methodical tweaking. But this is a 3D modeling program, and you just have to wrangle things around the way you want them. And you can't expect mechanical automatic software to do everything. You have to use the tools. Yeah, that's fairly close to what I intended. This band up here, I'm not quite sure what that is. I could probably move the wall down or you know, move it and get it lined up, but you get the idea. It's close enough. And I think that's what you're trying to do. Yeah, it looks like I need to adjust it some more. We'll shift select all those windows, and then I'm just going to make them a little skinnier. We just want some light to come through there. I'm real picky about exactly what. And these walls would probably not be brick. That was just what was selected. I can go over here to wall types and change the wall type to something. For a deal like that, you'd probably have probably siding 4 or something like that, because brick would put too much weight up here. You'd have to spend a fortune on a beam to hold it up. But anyway, that should address your question, and that's what I meant. That you get the roofs where you want them. You manually draw the wall you want, and program the wall, and then adjust the wall, put windows in it, and then you get a product. Okay, thank you.